much.
Guess what happened this morning?
What?
I was leaving, going this way. Thought I heard something. Thought it sounded familiar. It was a sound like a buzz, but a buzz that I didn't quite recognize. And I had the radio on, and I was like, I don't remember that buzz being in the song. And it's because it wasn't in the song.
What's it?
Well, I'm guessing one of the seniors at the high school pulled the fire alarm.
Oh, really?
So I could hear the buzz when I was about, right about here, right? Right about here, buzz, and it's, it's the kind of like that. Pretty much like that. And I start seeing all these kids coming down the steps, right? Those steps right there. And coming out every door. And I get to about here, and they're just flooding, they're like completely flooding the road. Kids, just everywhere. And I'm like, what the hell? And then I realized what that buzzing sound was. That, it was the fire alarm. And I was just like, a bunch of jerks.
Damn
It's
kids.
funny. It's funny in retrospect. But yeah, people coming in were just like, I'm late for school, right?
Yeah.
And so they were all like, why aren't people going? And the teachers were standing there just watching it, like watching all the traffic. And I was like, come on. Somebody stop the kids from crossing the street.